I am Dayanand Jadhav, working as an assistant professor in electronics and telecommunication engineering. Here in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the 4-variable K-map. See here the problem. K-map is used to reduce the logic expression. Here example is reduce the logic expression using K-map. Y in bracket A comma B comma C comma D bracket close, which is equal to summation m in bracket 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are given. This is the problem based on 4 variable. See here summation m. Summation m is used for SOP form, that is sum of product form, and pi m, if suppose there is pi m, then it is POS form, product of sum. In this problem there are 4 variables which is given in the problem. If suppose these variables are not given in the problem, then what? Y which is equal to, if suppose directly given, summation m in bracket 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then by considering this range from 0 to 10, we can find the variables. How it is? If suppose the range of the numbers is from 0 to 3, means here 2 variable. Why it is 2? Because 2 raised to 2 which is equal to 4, and the range of the numbers is from 0 to 3. If 2 variable, 4 possible combinations. If 3 variable, 8 possible combinations. If 4 variables, 16 possible combinations. For 3 variable, 8 possible combinations means the number in the range here available from 0 to 7. If suppose 4 variables, the numbers which are available, there are total 16 numbers, 0 to 16. If suppose 0 to 15, 16 possible numbers. If suppose this is given 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, means this is greater than 7 but less than 15, therefore 4 variables. But here variables are given, then it is easy. Directly we can consider the 4 variable K-map. The 4 variable K-map pattern is, this is the 4 variable K-map pattern. How it is? Write down A, B, C, D, these are the variables. Write down A, B, C, D here. If suppose 4 variables means 60 possible combinations. The numbers from 0 to 15. How it is? There are 16 cells, 16 box. When we consider this box value, this cell value 0, this cell value 1, this 2, 3, how it comes? See here 0, 0, 0, 0. See here firstly AB. AB for that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. CD for that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the gray code format. It is used in the K-map. Therefore, When we consider the box value, the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. For that binary, here value is 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. Value is 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Value is 3. 0, 0, 1, 0. Value is 2. Like that, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here there is 15, means how it comes 15? See here 1, 1, here 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, we know that decimal is 15. Therefore, in the next step, here summation m and 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, these are given. Summation m subform, if these are given, then consider in the pattern whatever given, write down 1, 1, 1, 1 in the pattern. How it is? See here. We know that how it is box value. 0 is given, therefore 1. 1 is given, therefore 1. 4 is given, therefore 1. 5 is given in the problem, therefore 1. 7 is given, therefore 1. 8 is given, 9 is given, 10 is given. See here. Here it is given. We have to reduce the logic expression. Therefore, write down if suppose summation m subform and given values, write down 1, 1, 1, 1 in that particular box. Then make the grouping. Grouping is the very important part in the K-map. How to make the grouping? If suppose single bit it is present, then grouping of that single bit possible. If suppose double bit present, double bits means these two are adjacent bit, not diagonal. This is very important part. See here, this is for this one, this is the neighbor and this is the neighbor. When we consider this and this, these are adjacent. For this, this is the adjacent. Therefore, first group, how to make the group? See here, these 1, 1, 1, 1. Grouping of the single bit possible, grouping of the double bits possible, grouping of the 4 bits possible, grouping of the 8 bits possible. Here 1, 1, 1, 1. For that, make it is considered this is first group. 1, 1, 1, 1. These are adjacent ones. There are 4 ones. Then what about the second? See here. This is given 1, 1. This is given. Whatever the here 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is top row and bottom row considered as adjacent to each other. Therefore 1, 1, 1, 1. This is group of 4 bits again. That is 4 ones are there. 1, 1, 1, 1. We consider these are adjacent. Also these are adjacent. Okay. When we consider this is the second group. What about third? See here, third group. 1, here 1. This adjacent with this. Okay. This. Okay, these are adjacent. Therefore, this is considered as third group. Also, remaining this. Here make the fourth group of 2 bits. In the first group there are 4 ones. In the second group there are again 4 ones. In the third group only 2 ones, and in the fourth group also 2 ones. These are the 4 groups. Then how to find the value of the groups, each group? How to find CR? For the first group, how to find CR? The first group, it is available for the AB value, A bar, B bar, A bar, B. Means B value changes while A remains same. Okay, for this group. Therefore take A, and when we see here for the CD, C bar, D bar, C bar, D. D changes from 0 to 1, but C does not changes. Therefore C bar is the value here. Therefore here value of this group A bar, C bar. This is the value of the first group. The value of the second group. See here, this is our second group. This is our second group. Okay, of 4 ones. When we check here for the AB value, and when we check here for the AB value, this A bar, B bar, A, B bar, B bar is same here, but A value changes. Therefore take B bar. And when we see here for the CD value, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C bar remains same. Therefore for this group here B bar, C bar, this is the value. B bar, C bar, this is the value. First group value plus second group value plus third group value. See here, this is our third group. This is our third group. Therefore this group is present here for the AB, A, B bar. After that, when we check here for the CD, here C bar, D bar, C, D bar. D bar is same while C changes. Therefore value of this group, third group, it becomes A, B bar. Here A, B bar, D bar. Okay, because C bar changes. A, B bar, D bar. Value of the fourth group, these 2 ones are available here. When we check here for the AB value, A bar, B, and when we check here for the CD value, C bar, D, C, D, D remains same, but C changes. Therefore take D. Value of this group becomes A bar, B, D, A bar, B, D. In this way, here by using K-map, we can reduce the given logic expression by using the SOP form. Thank you so much.